equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, rolls, lasers, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really good machine. This is made by the company Wysong, one of the best American brands ever made. You can still get parts and service. Everybody knows how to really use them. It's a Hydra-Mechanical press brake, really smooth, really quiet. You can see it has light curtains, has a 2-axis CNC, so you can have your ram as well as your back gauge. Has a multi-speed ram, so you're going to have your quick press, slow form, and quick retreat. So it's really a great production machine. We've already gone ahead and set a few different parts in here. You can see each step that it's going to go to. You'll notice the back gauge go in and out after each time, and you can just see how nicely everything's working on this guy. We have dual palm controller. You can see we're doing a bunch of different bends. After the bend, the back gauge is going to move to the next step of whatever was required. Right as it gets to it, it inches into it, and it'll be exactly on the 3-inch mark. See when it goes to the next one? We'll advance it. And now you can see it's gone back to the 5-6 inches. It's going to dial it right in. It'll get it exactly where you're at after everything's been calibrated. Has the dual palms. You're also going to have a foot pedal. I want you to take a look here at the side. Just see how everything's set up. This is where your ram is going to know to start and stop each time. Here's your high-low adjustment, which is going to give you that multiple speed for the ram. Foot and palm, inch and manual. You've got your high and low set here. Whatever you got to set it on, everything's really easy to switch to. All the controls will be right here, aside from the CNC part. You'll have also your ram adjustment, which is right here. You crank your ram adjustment down, you'll have your indicator. If you do have to level it out, you pull this little guy right here, and it's going to allow for only one side at a time to go ahead and level it out. You'll notice the red light right here. As soon as the hands are in there, everything turns red, and nothing's going to work on the machine. Also the dual palm, if you do one at a time, it's not working, we'll go ahead and put a button here. If it's not working, it'll only work if you have both hands on the machine. That's going to be a safety feature. Again, you can see the back gauge is working great. If you have any questions on this Wysong CNC machine, please give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for some great deals, some other machines, and even some tooling at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.